Hey guys, today I'm going to show you 3 methods to find someone's mobile phone number. First, on LinkedIn. Second, on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And finally, a third method using a super Chrome extension to use when your lead's phone number aren't available, neither on LinkedIn nor LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Okay, so here we are on LinkedIn. Now our goal is to visit a profile, check their contact information, and see if we can find the mobile number of this person. So let's go into search. Let's pick Jeremy as an example. We are on his LinkedIn profile. We're going to go into contact info. He filled up this profile pretty well. So now we can see that we have his mobile number. So that's how you are able to find somebody mobile number on their LinkedIn profile. Now I want to do exactly the same process, but on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which is the sales version of LinkedIn. Of course, it's a paid subscription. It's $99 US per month. So let's go back to Jeremy's profile. So if we go into Jeremy, now you can see that the profile from LinkedIn and LinkedIn Sales Navigator are slightly different, but you still can see the contact information here on the right side of Jeremy's profile. So you can see that the mobile number is here, but you also have more information, which are quite similar to the info that we had on his LinkedIn profile. So if you use LinkedIn or LinkedIn Sales Navigator, this is how you look for someone's phone number on their profiles. Now let's cover the case where we can't have a mobile number available on a LinkedIn Sales Navigator profile. Let me show you. Let's go on Matt's profile. Matt is a very cool content writer guy that I worked with in the past. And so let's explore his profile. As you can see, if we go into the contact information that we've been before, there is no mobile number. So we have his email address and we have his website, but no numbers. So what do we do? For that, I use a Chrome extension called Scalelist. So if you go on the Chrome Web Store, you can find Scalelist pretty easily, and you can add it to Chrome like this. Once it's added, you can easily pin it just to make sure that it stays visible. Then you can go on scalelist.com and try it for free. And for that, you will get 60 free credits to try it. Of course, I have an account. So we're going to go on my account. Now, we're going to go back to Matt's profile and we're going to refresh that page. And starting from there, we have this button, export lead, that appeared. So we're going to export Matt's information to see if we're able to find his mobile number. Let's do it. So I give a name to the list that I'm creating on Scalelist. It's extracting. Okay, so we found the email. Now let's refresh here. The list is appearing here. All right, the email as well. No email, no phone found. Let's see. Okay, so now we have a phone number. So I have Matt's WhatsApp and I can tell you that this is the right one. So yeah, that's pretty much how you would look for someone's mobile number when that number is not available. That's it. I hope you enjoy and see you in the next one.